Hey guys, what's up? It's Liam here. Hope everybody's day is going better. Now today, I have a very special unboxing video. This is only my second, but it's still special. I have an $800 Millennium Falcon that I got for my birthday. So yeah, let's bring it right over here. Now this thing is heavy. This thing right here is the Lego set with the most pieces. It has 7,541 pieces. Yeah, this is the most I've ever built. And of course, it costs a monstrous $800. I got it so me and my dad could build it. It's basically a present for him, present for me. And yeah, so yeah, let's just get ready. Let's just bust this thing right open. Now, I did open the tape up off camera because it took me about 5 minutes to figure out which way to open it. This way didn't open it, this way didn't open it. Took forever. So yeah, let's just get right into this. Okay, so the instructions are on the top. This is a really cool place. Boxed on the inside. So yeah, let's just get the instructions right out. They are actually really heavy. So now it looks like this instruction book, or instruction book, whatever you want to call it, has about 489 pages, or exactly 489 pages. That is a lot for a single book. Okay, and as you can see, it is actually like, it's almost like a book. Okay, so let's show you guys the inside of this box. If you can get it down without wrecking something. But yeah, basically it comes open with this few stickers for the inside of the Millennium Falcon. Of course, I think these are supposed to indicate like almost his hallways. And then yeah, so let's just take this thing right off. And wow. Okay, so yeah, the boxes are actually pretty cool. As you can see, it makes almost like a Millennium Falcon right here. If you guys can see that. And yeah, let's just start by taking this closest one out. Let's open this right up. And let's check out the contents inside. That thing over, this thing over. It's actually heavy. Jumbo bag. It looks like this is definitely the second one. So right now we have bags. The highest one in here is 17. Yep, I didn't lie. Okay, let's just move these over here. Make some room. Okay, let's get right into this box. Pretty sure this is the first box, so we're just gonna go right over here. See how many bags there actually are in this thing. Scissors are hidden under the pile of these Legos. Okay. Okay, so right here, yeah, I promise you guys I would open this Millennium Falcon on my first video, Recoil Unboxing. You guys go check this one out after this video is done. Yeah, looks like this was actually bag one. As you can see, we have these pretty cool strings, almost like, I don't know, this is of course the, almost like, it actually, oh no, that's just the bag. But it's actually pretty cool. Yeah, I believe that this part, right here, if you guys can see that, is right here. I think I got that right. Did. Nope, right there. Okay, so let's just get this here. Yeah, it looks like that was the first set of bags. These are already filling up my whole table. Now this table is huge, and I barely have enough room to fit all this in. But yeah, let's just sit down. Apologize if my head is cut off. This chandelier, incredibly inconvenient. It's right here. But yeah, okay. So we're just gonna get this next box opened up. Looks like this one. Well, the bag almost looks like bag 9, bag 6, bag 12. So far, guys, the highest bag is 17 and 13 right here. Just throw this whole thing out. Yeah, it looks like still 17 remains the highest bag. Now we only have one more to go through. So let's see how many bags there actually are. Don't know if you can hear my voice over that crinkling. Sorry if you couldn't. Okay, so we have the last one. Just open this thing right up. have just some pieces. This one actually is bag number. So far we've seen 15. Bag number 1. Sorry, Chandelier. I apologize. Okay. So yeah, the highest speed is stacked 17, but there are a lot of bags. Okay, so yeah, right here we have all of the bags. This is huge. So yeah, so guys, we're gonna go off camera, build it, and we will be back with a part 2. We'll be showing you the basic features, the inside of Millennium Falcon. So yeah, I hope everyone has a good day. Like, subscribe.